traveled to San Diego to meet with Ronnie with Controlled Entry Specialists, who've installed many Surefire units, including these at La Jolla Country Day School. These are some of the earliest versions of the Surefire units I've seen in the field, and they are still going strong. I'm often asked if Surefire has the ability to hold open access points through the entire day. Ronnie shows us how they did it.
Okay, I'm Ron with CES. We've installed these Surefire units, and basically what they're used for here at the La Jolla Country Day School is with their access system, they're able to wirelessly call the gates open, to hold them open for a certain amount of time during the day or night, and then allow them to close through a wireless signal.
I asked Ron how long the system had been in place.
I'd say probably 2 to 3 years. We haven't really had any problems at all. I think it's performed very well. So we have 10 points of entry here at La Jolla Country Day School. The reason that it is so important for the Surefire to be used is because of the fact that there's a lot of traffic in and out all day long. So there's certain points of access that they want to be held open for a certain amount of time, say 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. Or noon to 3, just depending on the area that we're talking about. That is a big thing for the campus, so that they can allow people entry without using remote controls or keypads or anything like that. It just makes things a lot easier. This place is really big. Like I said, we have 10 points of entry around the campus. I'm not exactly sure how many people attend the school, but it is a very large campus. It's from Genesee Avenue to Regents Road. That's probably a half a mile.
And so these Surefire units are shooting across this whole thing from the perimeter, right?
Correct.
So what does that look like if you would have to have trenched this whole thing?
That would have been a real nightmare. It would have been very time consuming and very costly. The Surefire saved a lot of money and works great.
Longevity and hold open capabilities with Surefire.